Welcome to the Cal Corporation's series of videos about software engineering. The topic for this video is binary files. Before proceeding, make sure that you have already watched these other videos first. Before you read or write to a binary file, you need to open it. The B in the second parameter is what indicates this is a binary file. After you are done reading and writing a binary file, you should close it. Here we are writing 8 bytes from a buffer to the file, 1 byte at a time. Because the file had just been opened, these 8 bytes are written at the beginning of the file. If we were to do additional writing, that would happen immediately following these 8 bytes. To keep track of that, C++ maintains a seek pointer, which currently points to position number 8. Your code can query the seek pointer's current position. By moving the seek pointer, you can control where subsequent reads and writes will occur. We have specified an absolute position to move the seek pointer to. You could also specify a relative position, relative to its current location or relative to the end of the file. The end of file function, FEOF, actually does not indicate when the seek pointer is at the end of the file, because potentially we could be writing more bytes at that point in time. What FEOF does indicate is if we have used the read function to attempt to read beyond the current end of the file. This is a binary standard file. It is assumed that a binary standard file will not be simultaneously shared by multiple processes. If a file might be shared, then you should instead use Win32's binary shared file functions. A binary shared file function is quite similar to the corresponding binary standard file functions. The handle to a binary shared file is an int instead of a pointer. A binary shared file always reads and writes 1 byte at a time. For a binary shared file, the EOF function truly does test that we are at the end of the file, without requiring to have read past the end of the file. For a binary shared file, specify the read and write permissions this way. A binary standard file's binary data could be 16-bit Unicode characters instead of bytes. If the path and file name is specified in wide Unicode, then use these alternative functions. There is an alternative to the fclose function. The alternative is faster, but not safe for multi-threaded software.